Hello dear fans. How to find the direction of a magnetic field. The direction of the magnetic field can be found both experimentally and by calculating and determining it theoretically in advance. The complexity of the determination depends on the configuration of the magnetic field source. Necessary: physics textbook, sheet of paper, pencil. Instructions. Step 1. Read a physics textbook about what creates a magnetic field in your environment. The reason for the appearance of the magnetic field explains one way or another of its direction. At the micro level, the magnetic field is created by microcurrents generated by the movement of electrons around the nucleus. When the orientation of the rotation of the electrons becomes the same, the substance is magnetized. Moreover, each microcurrent has its own magnetic field, determined by the rule of the right hand or the rule of the gimbal. Step 2. Draw on a piece of paper a solenoid that was studied in high school physics. As you know, a solenoid is a coil with a magnetic core, or with an empty filling. The coil is connected to a DC power source. The coil rings create their own magnetic field. Use the gimbal rule to determine the direction of a given field. This rule says that the direction of the magnetic field of the solenoid coincides with the translational direction of movement of the gimbal handle if the direction of rotation of the handle coincides with the direction of the current in the solenoid coil. Step 3. Remember the right-hand rule or the gimbal rule. It is the main one for determining the direction of the magnetic field in most cases. Any object, arbitrarily complex in the configuration of magnetic sources, can be divided into more detailed parts, the field of which can be determined by the gimbal rule. Step 4. Write out the Biot-Savart-Laplace law from a physics textbook. This law allows you to calculate the magnitude and direction of the magnetic induction vector in any general case. The basis for calculating the magnetic field according to this rule is the currents that create this field. Moreover, the lengths of the sections through which the current flows can be made arbitrarily small up to elementary values, thus increasing the accuracy of the calculation. Thanks for watching.